Hey guys, Wes here, back for more shop sessions or Wes propaganda, whatever you want to say. Thanks for tuning in. I don't know where this one's going to go, but here recently I've been really crunching the numbers. You know, there's not a whole lot of margins in the radios. I think everybody knows that, whether you're buying used, selling used, anything like that. But today I want to talk about what it's going to look forward for. What it's going to look like going forward, there we go, for Corncob CB Shop. Now, I think first things first is I appreciate everybody who's bought radios and stuff. I'm not closing the shop, anything like that. Still going to be building custom radios. We're still going to have inventory, repairs, peaks, tunes, whatever we need to do. But what is really going on is we're going to be shifting away from eBay. So in order to sell on eBay, you're looking at 14% fees, even as a preferred seller. You're looking at 14% fees. On top of that, you have what I call an extortion fee, or to promote your listing. And typically I choose 3%. eBay recommends 9%. Now, I call that an extortion fee because if you don't do it, then it just ends up nobody sees your product. So by paying a little bit more, 3% of whatever you make, so it really comes up to about 15, 16% of what you actually sell. So if I sell, you know, $1,000 radio, eBay's taking $160 away from me on top of shipping and other things. And so to combat this, you know, I will be starting to direct everybody starting June 1st. I'm going to be directing everybody over to corncobcbshop.com. And I know that's going to slow my sales down. People are going to have to find the website and things like that. It's not going to be on eBay for every person scrolling. You're going to have to look for it. But that's going to help me out, more time with family, things like that. So June 1st, 2026, we'll be transitioning off of eBay. And there are several reasons for this, not including the fees. You know, a lot of times with eBay, people are asking questions. Here in the last 3 weeks, I've probably spent 3 hours answering questions on people that didn't buy radios. Now, this doesn't mean anything against them. They were just curious. They have a right to know, but I leave a pretty detailed description. I take detailed pictures. One guy asked me a bunch of questions. Would I put an echo kit? Would I put a swing kit? X, Y, and Z. Can I do this? Will you do this? How about this? Can you trade me this? X, Y, and Z. What's wrong with it? Nothing was wrong with the radio. There are clearly pictures. He wanted to see a few more pictures of being a polite seller. I gave him a few more pictures, and he just said, oh, there's a scratch on the face. I don't want to deal with it. Well, I've been dealing with you for the last hour, dude. But I understand that, whatever. Everybody has the right to spend their money how they want to. And a lot of hee-hawing around, people lowballing offers, things like that. I have a $200 amp listed. Somebody lowballs me $100. I say, all right, I'll give you a little bit. Here's $180. After fees and stuff, I'm probably only going to make $130 on it. I paid $120 for it, just being transparent with you guys, and then it's busted. I'm also probably not going to be selling a lot of used gear. I might sell some really nice used radios, but I'm not going to be buying big lots and just hoping they work out like I used to. There's no margins in that. You end up burning yourself more than you want. The $1,000 CB lot that I've been working on videos for, I probably lost $300 in sales because somebody bought it. It arrived too damaged, even though it was parts and not working. It arrived too damaged, so I sent it back. So there are a lot of factors to eBay, used equipment, things like that. I think I'm getting out of those games. I think I still take trade-ins and on used equipment and things like that. But I'm going to be shifting everybody over to Corncob CB Shop. So I don't know what number shop session this is. It might be 1, it might be 2, it might be 3. I don't know. But because I schedule these things out pretty far, transparency for you guys, I'm about a month and a half ahead on videos. So by the time you're seeing this, it'll be a month later. But today, June 1st, that's what I'm going to schedule this for. We'll no longer be on eBay. We will only be selling on CB radios on corncobcbshop.com. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to get back to my FT8. Have a good one.